minus 3, which is 54. So subtract the 3, and then now what are we doing, Angela? Awesome. Which I'm just going to write that as 5.4. I know it's a decimal, but I'm going to keep it there. Now I've got the 5 to the 6b plus 3 is equal to 5.4. Okay, I'm dividing by 10. So it was already timesing by 10, so I divided to get rid of that 10. So now the 5 is alone, right? Okay, so we have now isolated the exponential. The next step is to rewrite it. I'm going to give you guys like a 30-second head start. I want you to rewrite this as a logarithm. This is a great example if you look over here, okay? But this is something you need to be able to do on your own, is rewrite this as a logarithm, okay? Try that out. Okay, Brian, tell me what you did on this one. How did you write this out as a log? What do you guys think? That is perfect. Good job, Brian. So that's rewriting it from an exponential to a log. Check, you got that done. Okay, so now we go to the next step, which is just to solve for v. Problem is v is being added by 3 and divided by 6. So just kind of shout out to me, what would we do here to solve for v? Subtract 3 to begin with. So I'd get 6v is equal to log base 5 of 5.4 minus 3. Sometimes people try to minus the 3 from there, but remember, I've got to do this first and then subtract 3. Okay, and then divide by 6, and that should be our answer. All right, do you guys have any questions on these ones that we just did? Yes, Isaac, go ahead.
Is that just the answer?
Yeah, so good question. If I were to, so this is my precise answer right here. If I were to put in my calculator, it'd give me an irrational number probably, which means it went on and on. But if you needed to come up with a number, you could put that in your calculator. What I would do is probably do what we did on that last one, where I'd put in that number first. Then I would subtract 3 and push enter, and then I would divide by 6, and then that would be your answer there. Hey, just as a side note here, I'm trying to insert a blank page. Let's say you're at home, and your calculator, you're trying to put in log base 2 of 6. But your calculator, it's not one of these, so you can't do math up. Do you know how you could put that into like a scientific calculator or regular calculator and still get the right answer? We're going to use what's called the change of base formula. What you do is instead use a common log or a natural log. I'm going to just use ln. I'm going to put in ln of the argument over ln of the base. So I'm going to do ln of 6 divided by ln of 2. And that's going to give me the same answer. So try that out with me. Will you guys get your calculator, do math up, do log base 2 of 6. So math up, log base 2 of 6. And it should give you, I believe it was like 595 or, okay, you're probably right. 2.5849. Now, go and do ln of 6 over ln of 2. Will it give you that same ugly decimal? You got the same? That's called the change of base formula. So on your phone, if you use that as a calculator, it only has log, base 10 of common log, and ln. So this is how you could do it on your phone. Let me give you another example. How would you write log base 3 of 7? How could I put that into a scientific calculator? You just shouted out, what is it, Melissa?
Ln of 7 or ln of 3.
There you go. That's it. So that's a change of base formula. That's how you can do logarithms when you don't have math up, okay?